This is AIX, your daily dose of AI news. Imagine designing the next supercar, a revolutionary medical device, or even a spaceship. And instead of waiting months to see if your ideas work, you get answers in a matter of hours. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's happening right now, thanks to a groundbreaking collaboration. At the heart of this revolution is Ansys. Their focus? As their expert Steve Pytel explains, it's all about predicting how things truly work. They call it simulation, but it's more like giving engineers a crystal ball, showing them the invisible, like how water flows through a complex valve or heat spreads through an engine. They're diving deep into the laws of physics to tell designers exactly how their creations will respond to the brutal realities of the real world before a single piece of metal is cut or a line of code is finalized. Think about designing a car. You need to know precisely how air will flow around it, right? Traditionally, that's a mountain of complex calculations. Ansys is obsessed with accuracy, but as Pytel points out, it's also about the speed of getting those answers. And this is where it gets insane. Ansys recently teamed up with the tech giants at NVIDIA and the brainiacs at the University of Texas, unleashing the raw power of their supercomputers. Listen to this. A massively complex automotive simulation, the kind that pushes computing to its limits, used to take around a full month to run. A month, churning away on roughly 2,000 CPU cores. Then, they threw NVIDIA's brand new Grace Hopper 200 superchips at the problem, 320 of them. And that month-long engineering marathon? They crushed it in 6 hours. Let that sink in. A month of design validation shrunk to less than a workday. And look at this graph. It's not just unbelievably faster, the cost per simulation plummets. We're talking about 4 times cheaper to get these critical insights. This is Ansys's powerful simulation software, like their Fluent program, working in perfect harmony with NVIDIA's latest hardware breakthroughs. As Pytel says, it's an amazing story of what's possible when software and hardware evolve together. Imagine what this unlocks for designing something as extreme as this Koenigsegg hypercar. Perfecting every curve, every vent, every aerodynamic surface at speeds designers could only dream of before. But hold on, the benefits don't stop at speed and cost. Think about the energy footprint. That same incredibly complex simulation, by running it on the new NVIDIA hardware, they saved around 17,000 kilowatt hours of energy. That's a massive win for sustainability. Faster innovation, lower costs, and less energy consumption. This is how true breakthroughs happen. Okay, so cars are one thing, but what about this? An autonomous robot navigating the chaos of a massive warehouse, using radar to see and understand its surroundings. Ansys and NVIDIA are simulating these incredibly complex environments, allowing them to predict, in real time, exactly how that robot's radar system will perform, identifying obstacles and pathways with stunning accuracy. And here's where it gets really ingenious. They're not just relying on simulated data. Ansys takes real-world sensor data and fuses it with their hyper-accurate, physics-based synthetic data. The result? A hybrid AI model that's even more robust and reliable. What mind-blowing innovation do you think this technology will unlock next? Let us know in the comments below, and if you want to stay ahead of the curve on game-changing tech like this, make sure you subscribe to AIX for all the latest breakthroughs.